Alright, guys, I will tell you about some of my trauma or my cuts. I had 2 burns and 2 cuts. Okay, bye. I'm going to make this video longer. So, on the sound, those videos will talk about my injuries that have happened. So, right now, you can scroll past now or already go to the sound. There is 1, 2, and 3 and 4 because I had 4 injuries, 2 burns, and then 2 cuts. All right, now bye.
I will provide vision.
Whoopsie doopsie. Just listen to them or something.
Astorio, ano yun? Sino nag-click eh? Justice na ako. Saan yun?
Ano ulam po? Ano ulam po?
Ha? Egg.
Yeah, coming.
Ah.
Ito, set no. Oh, hindi mo lang pure yan. Okay, hindi ba natin ito?
And
Alright, I'm back. Let's check. Oh, okay.
What is that?
More minutes.
What is happening? The end, go end it. What?
tayo.
What a crazy.
Mile away.
Ano pa ba? Bibilog ko. Madami na
Pag
ako.
mabuhay ka, Jack, harangan mo agad yung ano.
Ano ba yung pwede ko mabilog?
Harangan mo agad yung nida.
Had coming from running away.
Hirap naman makatower. Sino yung nila? Awit. Try ko still. Still low dati na naman. Makita ako.
There is a tattoo. People here are tattooed.